Felt like I had more. I thought I did. Maybe. Dry, 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 dry. Late start this morning. It's already, what, 11 a.m. on a Saturday, and I'm just now getting myself together, but not really because look at my hair. But what I did do is made some avocado toast, and I'm gonna drink a little bit of this. Gosh. Oh. Let's see how it is. Okay, so I need to I put on this mat. I've had this for a long time, this Girl About Town, and now it's looking like real pink. Like, I hope it doesn't come through like that. But anyway, I need to pop my locks because they haven't been popped in a long time. So I'm gonna do that on camera with you guys really quickly and just talk. All right, so that one's okay. This one's okay. That's okay. So you can see that's okay. This is okay. It feels pretty okay, but I just like, maybe I don't have that many. I just felt like I hadn't done it in a while, so I needed to. Okay, wait. All right, maybe like a small one back here. So I'm right here. A little bit right here. Nope. All right, so we good. I felt like I had more. I thought I did. Maybe I did it the other day. All right, I guess I'm good. All right. Hi. It is Saturday, and I was like, maybe I'll do a little half up, half down today. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not looking like a clown with this lipstick. See how pink it is? Okay. Dry, 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 dry. I'm going to probably wash it tomorrow. Oh. Wash it tomorrow. But not today. I'm probably running a few errands today. Not too much stuff, but I was like, why not? Why not to get cute? Okay, so we are going to do half up, half down. Still feel like back here be so dry. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna take this many. I don't take a lot. Let's see. Yep, let's do this many. Come on, rubber bands. All right, so I'm just gonna do this many like this. It's gonna be a messy top knot. I just doubled it twice. And then, so there's that, which could be a cute style in itself. Right? That could be cute. I like that. But you know what? Let's do the, let's see if we can get the top knot. So then I just take it and I guess I'll flip it over like so. Yeah, take it and flip it over like so. And then I usually just take one rubber band. Like the messy bun. Girl. Let's see. Oh, I swear, like when I'm playing around, like last night I was playing around with a bun. Perfect. I wasn't going nowhere but to the bed. But now that I want to go somewhere, it is not working for me. But it will right now because I'm gonna make sure it will. All right, and then so I put that there, and then I'll just bring this around. Let's see. And I don't like how that one. It's supposed to be effortless. All right, I can deal with this. Yep, just stick this one in. Yep. All right. That wasn't so bad, huh? One try. Let's see how the back is looking. I haven't even looked at the back. Is it sticking out, y'all? Is it okay? Where's my mirror? Oh. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, the back is okay too, huh? Wasn't so bad. All right, there we go. Okay, out, bye. Saturday. I have these jeans are, oh my gosh, they're button fly. I need to button them up all the way. But anyway, they are thrifted. I can't remember the name. Shoot. I'll look at it and let you know. Anyway, this shirt is Topshop. Got it at Nordstrom, and that's it. And then I have on some Air Force, no, Jordans or whatever. I don't know. I don't be knowing, you guys. I really don't. And you already saw the hair. All right, bye. We drove about 23 miles to come here for some popcorn. Where is it? It's over there, huh? Furniture. Tom's Farms out here in Corona, California. I don't think we've been in really any of those other. Should we go into the antique store? Maybe we should go in there. Right here, that one just back in. Alright, y'all, we're here to get popcorn at this place right here.
No, I'll get you an apple though. Yeah, one of these apples.
We got our popcorn. They don't close it up for you, so I'm having to hold it. I got cheese. This is cheese and caramel for Jim's mom. And Jim has cheese and jalapeno cheddar? No, caramel and jalapeno cheddar, huh?